Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. How to add field, name, display label and how to change symbology of feature. So it is very important if you want to change symbology in QGIS. So listen carefully and like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's start. Here is our QGIS and here is our file path, and we drag it our file. Here is our data and we change symbology of this data. After add data, we click here symbology, and here is symbology layer, and we select here single symbology. Here is single symbology, and if you want to change color, you select here color and choose here color and apply our color change. If you want to transparency of these color, set opacity, you click right to left and set as per your requirement. We set here 46 and apply. Our transparency is here, and if you want to other changes of symbology, you go to downside and you select here topology and favorite symbol and all symbol. Here is all symbol as per QGIS, and colorful symbol, here is colorful symbol, and gray, if you need any gray, you select here gray type symbol, and here is other symbols, topology symbol as per your requirement, you select it. If you want to change symbology, you go to style manager, and here is symbol, different type of symbol, and marker, line, fill and color, and here is text. You need as per your requirement, you take it. After it, if you want to change category, you go to single color and select here categorize, and here is name, category name, we select here name 2 because we already different type of name, so we select here name 2, and here color as per your requirement, you select it. We select here and set point as per our requirement and apply. After it, we classify, here is classify, we click here classify, here is all classify layer and apply and OK. Here is our classify data. If you want to other changes, so you click again symbology and you select here inverted symbol, and we select here single and apply and OK. Here is inverted symbology. So our symbology process is complete. This video is helpful for you, so please subscribe my channel, like, share, and if any query, please write me comment. Thank you for watching video. We see you next tutorial, how to select your feature in QGIS and how to use query in QGIS. So it is very important, so please listen carefully this video to end and like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start. Here is our some data and we select it. For selection, we go to selection and we select here select feature, and we select anyone. You select anyone if you want to use other, you select by polygon, you click here and we draw a polygon and you right click, your feature selected, and if you want to unselect it, you go to unselection, click here, your feature is unselected. Again we go to selection and we select here, select feature by freehand, you draw a freehand and you click here, your feature has selected, you unselect it and we go to next, select by radius, you click here and you draw a radius, you click a point and zoom in as per radius, we click here, our feature is selected, we unselect it, and if you want to another way selection, you go to select feature and select by values, we click here exception field as per your requirement, we select here and we write here name, kernel. After it we click select feature and we see here our feature is selected, unselect it, close it, we go to again query, select feature by exception, we click here and here is exception dialog box, we go to field and we select here as per your requirement, we select here id equal to, here is all value, all unique value, we click here and we select here as per your requirement, we select here 144 and after it we click selection, our feature is selected and we unselect it and close it, and next we go to selection and if you want to select all, you click here select all, your all feature is selected, and next if you want to inverted feature selection, you go to selection and you select here inverted feature selection, our feature is selected, we unselect it. If you want to other way to selection, you click anyone, and except as per your requirement, you select one by one. Our selection process is complete. Here is our building shape file and we go to table, here is table, we go to open table, here is our building, we create new field, for create new field we go to new field and we write here name, type, text and length as per your requirement, we take length 50 and OK. Our field is created, we write here name, building 1, building 2 and building 3. After it we save it, click save, we save it and close it. For labeling we click here Symbology, here is label, we select here single label, and value name we select here name, and font as per your requirement we select here Arial black, and size we write here size 20, and font points and color, we take color. After it, OK, our label is display. And if you want to change symbology, we click again building and we go to symbology, and here is symbology. You select as per your requirement, we select it and OK. Our building symbology change. So we successful add field name, label and symbology. So please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you for watching video. How to import data in QGIS. So please listen carefully this video and like, share, subscribe. If any query, please write me comment. So let's start. Here is QGIS and here browser and downside layer. If you don't have browser and layer, you go to view and panel. After panel, you select here browser, and don't have layer, you select layer, and here is adjust as per your requirement. You adjust it. After it, here is your all drive and you have data. Go to that drive. We go to D drive and select our data, and we select here file as per our need. We add here save file. So we double click, otherwise drag. We double click, our data is add, and you see here layer and our data is added. If you want to remove it, you right click and go to remove layer, you remove it. OK, our data is removed. If you want to add by drag, you select it and drag it. Our data is added, and you see attribute table. You go to attribute, open attribute. Here is all attribute, ID, name, all attribute as per your save file. And if you want to select anyone, you select it. Here is selected part, it is selected part. And if you want to more select, you select it. Our area is selected, and if you want to unselect it, you click any one, unselect, only one is selected. And if you want to select all, you go to selection tool and we select all is selected. If you want to unselect, you click side and unselect. If you want to change symbology, you double click on symbol and our symbology is on, and you change as per your requirement. We select it and OK, our symbology is changed. If this video is helpful, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching video. Scaling and zoom function in QGIS. So listen carefully this video and like, share, subscribe my channel. If any query, please write me comments. So let's start. Here is our QGIS, and you see here small scale, and we zoom in. Here is large scale. You see here is large scale, and here is small scale. Large scale means more detail, and small area, and small scale means less detail and more area. If you want to fix in QGIS scale, so you go to downside and you see here scale bar, and we click here and we zoom. Here is large scale, you see here, and you select it. Here is small scale. Our zoom function and scaling process is complete. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching video. How to import Excel in QGIS. If you want to work in Excel using QGIS, so it is very important. So please like, share and subscribe my video. If any query, please write me comment. So let's start. Here is our QGIS and here is our Excel. We save Excel in CSV format. For save CSV format, we go to file and save as. We select here location. Here is our location and we select here file name and save as type. We click here and select here CSV and save. Yes. And after save, we close it. After it, we go to open data source. We click here and we select here delimited test and we select here file name. Click here and we select here Excel CSV file. After it, we go to open. Our Excel is added here. You see here your Excel detail, all Excel detail, and after it you select here file format CSV. If you have other format, you select here as per your requirement. Our file is CSV format, so we click on CSV format. Geometry definition, here is our geometry definition. We go to geometry definition. If you have coordinate, so you click here point coordinate and you select X and Y value. If you have not coordinate, you tick no geometry, and after it we add and we close it. Our Excel sheet is added, you see here. And if you want to see detail, you select it and go to open attribute. Click here. Here is all Excel attribute. Here is all Excel attribute detail. So our Excel is added successfully in QGIS. If any query, please write me comment, like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching video. We see you next tutorial.